Use identities to find the exact value. No calculator. All right, so with these, we're going to have to know the unit circle and some trig identities. So for the first one, it's easy to break this apart. 45 degrees plus 30 degrees, because those are on the unit circle. And the cosine identity is cosine 45 degrees cosine 30 degrees minus sine 45 degrees sine 30 degrees. And from the unit circle, we know these to be root 2 over 2 times root 3 over 2 minus root 2 over 2 times 1/2 for sine 30. And this works out to be root 6 over 4 minus root 2 over 4. You can just write this as root 6 minus root 2 over 4. And that is that one. For this one, it's very similar. You can break this apart as cosine 60 degrees plus 45 degrees. Using the same identity as the one before, you can write it as cosine 60 cosine 45 minus sine 60 sine 45. And this comes out to be 1/2 times root 2 over 2 for the cosines minus root 3 over 2 times root 2 over 2. Doing some arithmetic, this comes out to be root 2 over 4 minus root 6 over 4, which is pretty similar to that one, just switched around. And you could rewrite this as root 2 minus root 6 over 4, and that is the answer. In this one here, we will see that it actually is the same as the one we just did, but it's in radians. So let's first break this apart. Cosine, I can write it as 3 pi over 12 plus 4 pi over 12. And once we do this, if we put it back into degrees, we'll see that, or first let's simplify these fractions. You get cosine pi over 4 plus pi over 3. And now if you simplify these into degrees, you'll see it is 60 degrees plus 45 degrees, which is what we had here. So we know the answer is going to be the same.